Today we will talk about reports from scientists about Antarctica. There is huge rumors in the scientist community about alien life on Antarctica. Deep within the ice sheets there is a huge spaceship and supposed flash frozen aliens, and also something they must have been on Earth to build or to teach us humans how to build. After all, us humans are nothing but simple animals to a species that can travel from star to star all over universe and more. Many top scientists have been ready to report findings in the last few years but have been silenced. This also led to a ban on all expeditions of all kinds. Also, all of the random visits by world leaders are not random at all, as they have to combine effort to retrieve this find and keep it secret from the public. Also involved are a new world order with this life at stake, and this usually means no one will speak, but there are those who will always push for the world to know the truth. UFO whistleblower. Ex-US naval officer saw entrance to secret alien base in Antarctica. A former US naval officer has shockingly claimed to have seen the entrance to a secret alien base and UFOs while on duty in the Antarctic. The former UFO whistleblower. Ex-US naval officer saw entrance to secret alien base in Antarctica. A former UFO whistleblower. Ex-US naval officer saw entrance to secret alien base in Antarctica. A former US naval officer has shockingly claimed to have seen the entrance to a secret alien base and UFOs while on duty in the Antarctic. The former military man, who is said to have seen 20 years of service, has allegedly revealed the startling story to us conspiracy theorist investigative journalist Linda Moulton Howe. Mrs. Howe, 75, from Albuquerque, New Mexico, who has been awarded for her paranormal research through website Earthfulls.com, says she was contacted several times by the whistleblower. She has only been referred to as Brian. In a series of videos released on YouTube, Mrs. Howe's heard interviewing Brian about what he allegedly saw. Brian, 59, who alleges to be a former retired US Navy petty officer, first-class flight engineer in a squadron called Antarctic Development Squadron 6, claimed to have been part of a crew that flew through no-fly zone above Antarctica and saw UFOs, aliens, and a giant entrance hole to an alien base. He was said to be stationed there between 1983 to 1997, when he retired, and on several occasions saw aerial silver discs flying over the trans-Antarctic mountains. In the videos, he claimed there is a top-secret collaboration between humans and aliens, with Antarctica a major research ground for the projects. The large hole was said to be 5 to 10 miles from the South Pole in the supposed no-fly zone. He also said a group of scientists had gone missing for a week and come back terrified and refusing to speak. Then at a camp near Marybirdland, some dozen scientists disappeared for 2 weeks, and when they reappeared, Brian's flight crew got the assignment to pick them up. Brian says they would not talk and their faces looked scared. In an email to Mrs. Howe, he said, "Another unique issue with South Pole Station is that our aircraft was not allowed to fly over a certain area designated 5 miles from the station. The reason stated because of the air sampling camp in that area. This did not make any sense to any of us on the crew because on 2 different occasions we had to fly over this area. It was on the opposite side of the continent and we had to refuel at South Pole, and a direct course to this Davis camp was right over the air sampling station."